Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sarah James Official. I am starting my video here. Guys, I am going to see my mom, but if you can see, guys, I was going to see my mother, but even you cannot pass. Look at the rain. Guys, nowhere to pass. Oh, I don't know what to do. Now I will be back to the longest way. Look at here, guys. I cannot even jump. Look at here. And I am going there. It's not far where I'm going. Guys, look at the water. Guys, let me go back. I'm going back to where I came from because of the water is too much. It is like Lake Victoria. I don't know how to call it. Guys, look at that place. And to my mother is not far from here, but I will go back to the longest way. Guys, look at the maize. Look at the maize, guys. But these people have not kupandilia. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this place. Beautiful place. Guys, look at that huge trees. Look at it. Look at it. Coconut. Guys, let us go with you. People are still building, as you can see. Guys, I'm walking. I'm still walking. I'm still walking, guys. As you know, Mombasa with sun. And the 2 days we have the rain, but even it cannot show it was raining. You see the bushes? I'm walking. You can see the bushes. Guys, you see where I'm going? Guys, this is me. This is the outfit of the today. This is me, Sarah. I'm still going. I'm still going. Guys, I'm still going. The water passes here, a lot of water. But at least today, I'm lucky there is no water. That side, you see what is happening. As you can see, guys, I came from there. The grass is everywhere because of the rain. You can see. I love this grass. This one. I love this grass. See, I'm still going, guys. But this is the longest way. But nothing I can do. This is the longest way because my... Okay, guys, look at this. Those one we have a lot of them in Mombasa. People are at the shamba. Look at this place. This is the fence of this man. Look at it. Let me see what they have right in here. Malay. Wow. Look at this tree, guys. It's tall. Mambo. Nani amechorachora hiyo miti hivyo? Hapa ni base ya marasta. Ni pazuri aje. Hiyo breeze. Imagine ningetokea hapo. I went far, but I'm not far from where I'm going, guys. Life in the village. I'm now home, as you can see, but the house is not completed. But it will be soon. I'm here, guys. I'm sitting here. At least I'm happy. My mother is here. Christian is here. At least mtu anasonganga unatafuta pia direction later. Village is, my mother has washed these clothes, as you can see. Village life. Why mboga zimekuwa aje? Wow. Today I'm going to eat this mboga. Look at vegetable. My mother planted. Madhe hizi ni za ulipanda na mama Yele ama ndio gani? Okay. Remove my utakuja karibu si mbali sana. Guys, I have removed my Masai sandals now. At least this one can help me here. I want to help my mother to remove this one. You have seen here Wengo has already done. That is my land. You remember I told you about it? Guys, here too much stones. Too much stones, guys. Guys, too much stones. Too much what stones? Guys, look at how I have done. Ooh, the stones. Guys, look at how I have done. We are doing this. This is the fence of my mother. Because the boda they ride to here. She do this. Guys, at least even if I have not done clearly, but at least you have seen. Oh, I will I will do later because pesa. Hey, kwani amevaje raba?
Mimi chini ya shamba.
Umevaje hata raba?
Si ni ya kazi hiyo.
Yeah.
Wajua huyo ni shosho. Lazima avae kazi mwanzo, lakini shosho aking'ara hakuna mwenye anamweza.
Christian.
Kwa tunakubali.
Hata mimi hebu kuja mapi unionyeshe hapo wanafanya kaje.
Nini? Si wanatunda.
Nionyeshe vile watatunda. Usinifuate Christian, nataka unichukue hivi wote nikisema. Usinifuate. Mapi nifundishe vile unafanya. Mimi nachukua. Unajua mimi hiyo
Ile nyepesi.
Okay, this one. The small one. Like this. Okay. Like this.
Kaka umfundishe hizi changa, ungemleta huko kwa hizi changa.
Hey. I like these greens. I really like it.
Beautiful.